we gotta support our wives, man.
Dude, but I have a better job. I mean, we don't get good pay at all.
Screw our wives.
Okay. I hear in America, we can have sex.
Yeah. The girls Mexican better.
Mexican!
Oh my god! Running team!
Fuck. Stab him! Die, Mexican! Die! Hold him down as I stab him through the heart.
My virginity!
Hold him, Trevor.
Best
Hold
part of
on.
the
Hey,
job.
hey. Are we supposed to kill these Mexicans or put them in jail?
I don't know, just kill them anyway.
Okay. We might lose our jobs, but fuck it.
I'm dead. Where's the other Mexican? I saw the other Mexican.
Hey, hold on.
What?
No!
Run!
Fuck you, Mexican! You illegal alien!
Someday we'll kill him. Someday. We'll get him.
Fuck this job, man. Fuck the wife. What the fuck is he doing? Feel the pain.
Stab it out in his wound. I thought he was dead. No,
Hey, look at that cow. Let's have sex with it.